increasingly we have partnerships which are national and international. We're really lucky they come and see us in Calgary. It's a great place to be, of course, but if you want to be a great partner, you need to get out of your city and go and see folks in other places. And here in Toronto, it's a massive event, everyone's here. This really is one of the best opportunities every year.
I think the UCalgary booth traffic has been very high. They're really interested in the university and the entrepreneurial programs. Sometimes they're coming and they're really interested in the technologies people are showing.
So some people are just wandering through and are just curious, and other people are seeking us out, which is encouraging moving forwards to sort of go, right, we're on the right path, let's keep moving forwards.
This is a startup conference. All the startups are looking for money, but more than money, they're looking for expertise, advice, and we can partner and we can help in those areas.
We've had a lot of alumni come by the booth in general, commenting on the presence that the University of Calgary has at Collision. And alumni have also been surprised by the diversity of companies that the University of Calgary has brought here. It's not just oil and gas, it's a lot of health tech and AI companies that really show that diversification of the objectives of the university.